What would you do if somebody would at the present moment tell you that you would achieve everything that you truly desire? Money, health, happiness, fullness in life, and fulfillment if you would only invest a 5-year time of your life on reading, understanding, and full implementation of the knowledge here contained. It is absolutely granted. Sacred knowledge available and used only by the most powerful, the one which is unavailable for a mere mortal, as it holds the keys to everything that is important. Knowledge, the most important in this world. Its usage grants that maximum power is achieved, available to the people populating this universe. Mechanisms that rule this realm have been all disabled to the first elements, and based on this understanding, a system has been developed that implements the most powerful and maximum usage of the laws present. For people who understood it and use it in a certain way, make it all a natural process. It is a knowledge which possessing an appliance causes achievements of everything which is desired. Based on your personal work that needs to be invested mostly on the beginning, and which does not involve the uses of any entities from other dimensions, as it is forbidden. It uses laws that performs in this reality independently, and which governs this universe, to be developed with the intention of the universal intelligence. Although it is associated with only maximizing the results of those laws by understanding of all that is to be, and by acting with certainties that are pointed, giving the most prolific effect and to produce the best results ever possible. Would you take your time and do whatever is necessary to completely change your life as you had dreamed of? Would you take this challenge or refuse it? It is guaranteed for all, independence of any other reason, as we are all the one and laws are the same for everyone. Understanding is the key to achievement, but the work performed and the actions taken are the necessary, which show results. Have you already made your choice?